What's up, guys? I'm here in Piqua, Ohio at the grand opening weekend of the Baked Potato Food Truck. Come on, let's go see what they got. I'm hungry. The Baked Potato! Alright. What we got here? You're doing great at narrating.
Thanks, buddy.
Baked potato. So,
Yeah. Check you guys out.
it all sounds good, so I'm gonna get like one of each. You got chicken sandwiches?
They got everything. I gave them my best fake smile, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, that's something.
You guys accept cards?
We do.
Awesome. They accept card and cash and quarters.
Any form of payment.
Okay. You got soda for 50 cents.
Yeah.
You got bottled water.
We got loaded nachos. We got some herb butters,
Okay.
which are really, really cool and packed full of flavor. The dill ones are most popular. The big hit is spicy. And then as far as everything else
Okay,
goes,
so you surprise me with what you think's the best, but I want the baked potato
the big potato. Okay.
with whatever herb butter you want to give me.
Okay.
And then let's do sour cream and bacon bits. But I'm also going to get a shredded chicken sandwich.
Dill butter, sour cream and cheese, or no?
Cheese, yeah. Sour cream, cheese, and bacon bits. Gotta have bacon.
Alright, and you said a chicken sandwich.
Yeah, sounds
Do you
good.
want anything on your chicken sandwich?
Cheese. And mayo if you have it.
I don't have any mayo.
That's fine. Cheese is good.
Cheese.
Yeah, barbecue sauce?
I do have barbecue sauce.
Awesome, barbecue. And would you like a hot dog, Prego?
Cheese.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
And then what else?
Hot dog.
Anything on your hot dog?
Ketchup
Yeah.
and ketchup.
Hot dog. Okay. Anything else?
And a soft taco? Soft taco.
Soft taco. Yeah, you gotta try it all.
Yep.
What do you want on your soft taco?
Just the usual, so. Lettuce, cheese.
Salsa.
Yep. Lettuce, cheese, sour cream.
I don't have any lettuce, but I'll give you everything else.
Yep, cool.
Okay.
And then the sweet heat chili.
Yes.
All
You want
right.
any crackers or peanut butter bread with your chili?
Some crackers. Peanut butter bread?
Yeah.
What's up with peanut butter bread?
Huh?
Just peanut butter and bread?
Just peanut butter and bread. Some people like to have peanut butter and bread when they have their chili.
I've never had that, but Prego will like it.
Okay. Here, let's add that to it. Okay, any pops, anything like that?
Want a water or anything?
Water, please.
And a water.
Okay. 15:30.
All right. Got all that food for $15.30. That's awesome. It's a food truck.
Thank you.
I'm excited.
There
Awesome. Thank you. Let's eat. Woo! All right. The baked potato food truck. Yummy.
I want to try that.
Try the chili. Go your for it. Okay, so they offer crackers or the peanut butter bread. Peanut butter and bread. Never heard of that with chili, but peanut butter goes good with a lot of stuff. So,
What is this?
bone apple tit.
What is this?
That's a baked potato. Loaded baked
What
potato.
is this?
This is bacon bits, shredded cheese, and sour cream.
Okay.
You haven't had too many baked potatoes, have you?
No.
Have you ever had a baked potato like this?
Yeah, at your dad's.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And this one, oh.
Yeah, it's a shredded chicken. So, like you heard my order, got a taco. Looks good. Baked potato, sour cream, cheese, bacon bits, some chili. Got a hot dog with ketchup. And I got a shredded chicken sandwich with barbecue sauce and shredded cheese. I'm so hungry.
I'm gonna try it.
Try it. Go ahead. It's with
So
a
hot.
spicy sweet and spicy sauce.
Mmm.
Good? Let me try
I like it.
my spork. Have you had chili like this? Oh, you gotta have Ernie's
But-
chili.
But I tried
Holy crap. You have this
What you call that?
Oh, man. Guys. This is some really good chili.
chili con carne. That's, oh my god, that's so good.
I don't know what that is, but
That's so good.
that is amazing.
Kind of.
Holy crap.
It's kind of same thing. Cheers.
Holy crap, that's good chili. Cheers. Mm. Mm. That's good. Good sauce. Yeah, guys. Follow the Baked Potato Food Truck on Facebook. Check them out. The location's Piqua, Ohio, when they're not out at events. They're open all year round. So they got that nice little spot indoors. They're going to have seating outside eventually. So yeah, check them out. We're going to eat this. I'm so hungry. That chili is so good. I can't believe it. Guys, you got to try the chili with that sweet, spicy sauce. I'm Duck.
And monkey.
All right. We love you guys. See ya.